Hey guys, meet Soulstones, magic beads that transform your Kandi into powerful tools for making deeper connections, following journeys, and kickstarting new adventures. They're tech-powered beads that can be tapped with any phone, allowing you to see notes, photos, and any other type of journey, all on the inside. When you trade the Kandi and someone else uploads, you're able to get connected with them right away, no matter how many trades away. Soulstones are designed with privacy in mind. They work like little memory cards and they do not track your location. Here's an authentic story of a real-life Soulstone trade. I ended up trading this Soulstone with my best friend B when we went to a raid called Batty Bash in Orlando. All of my friends and I took a picture in the parking lot and she ended up posting it. And now, since I traded this Soulstone with her, I'm able to be connected to this Soulstone and see where it goes, which is how I am able to see all of the other posts that she has made, and I can also take a look at the pictures that she posted at the rave that we went to that weekend for one of our friends' birthdays. Soulstones are designed to last a lifetime. They're waterproof, durable, and battery-free. The Soulstones community is growing every day. New moments are being posted, and new features are being added onto the app regularly. Join us and come see for yourself at soulstone.io. Thanks for watching, and remember, peace, love, unity, and respect.